Ladies and gentlemen, anybody want to tell me just what in the West hell is going on here? This lady got a pet dog. And apparently, a pet air conditioner. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I've seen a lot of things in my life. I ain't never seen nobody walk a damn air conditioner. I am blown. I've never seen. Now I didn't know that you could put a leash on a damn air conditioner. I'm done. I'm just as astounded as you. I'm blown the hell away. You want me to formulate some type of opinion? I don't have one. I just seen a woman walk a dog and a damn air conditioner. And nobody saw a problem with this. Not even the damn dog. I don't blame the dog. I wouldn't have said nothing either. That damn dog probably think the air conditioner is his cousin. The air conditioner might be for the doghouse. You never know. But that's still not a reason to walk no damn air conditioner. I don't know. I tried to rationalize it. I don't know. I don't.